Typewriter. This is a typewriter. Very little of use, more to writers of book. The typewriter was invented in 1714 by Henry Mill. Pellegrino Turri introduced it in 1808. The keyboard and the speed of typewriter was by Carlos Hubbard. Typewriter was invented in England or United Kingdom. Typewriter was used in three ways: mechanics, electromechanical, and electronics. Passing time was invented the liquid paper automatic to erase mistakes. And, of course, was a course, typing course. This typewriter can be used as a bag. And to ending this video, I show the famous typewriter Jerry Lewis, very famous. Jerry Lewis has passed away in August 2017 to 90 years one.